quick update. I'm not going to get too in depth with this because I got a lot of YouTube videos to make. I'm going to try to get back into it. But, oh yeah, don't worry about that. Josh is doing his brakes. So here's how the truck is. It's been a minute. I still have the vet, but this is at my property back in Maine. Cleared out a bunch of areas so I can put projects down here, and I'm gonna end up extending that garage out, putting a lift in, whatever. I just rewired most of it. But there's the truck, there's the CUDA. So this is the project truck. This 6.0 is going in there with a set of twin turbos, as well as the whole wiring harness. I want the dash and everything to go in here. And then the 318 that's in here, I don't know, I couldn't tell you what I'm gonna do with that, but that's one quick update. There's gonna be a lot more videos of whatever I intend on doing, I guess. I got some stuff to do with the vet, I got some stuff to do with that. That's gonna be a whole project because I cut all the wiring harness out of the whole car. Not one bit of wire except for the ghost of the starter. So yeah, that's it. Here's the truck right now. Built a roof rack. Put on some fender flares. Put on a back rack. Really haven't done a lot to it. Just that. It's been like a year since I posted anything, but this is where we're at right now. Also, the hood's popped. I'm thinking about how I want to tape it off and if I want to paint it. You know what? I haven't made a video in a long time. I guess this is just like a quick video to show what's different. Obviously, I've painted the truck with Raptor liner, put on the back rack, made a roof rack, put on some lighted tow mirrors, put on some cab lights. Just changed a few things, didn't really do anything to the inside. I did make a switch panel because I have added, I also added a CB. Everything's dirty because I use this truck literally every day this is my daily driver now. But the switch panels, because I have rock lights and because I have my front lights, fog lights, roof lights. I have that light there. I also have another light underneath that faces the hitch. I don't know when I'll ever post this, but that's just a quick truck update, I guess.